Hello and welcome back to iCalculator. In today's video, we're focusing on property tax in Portugal, a key consideration for anyone owning or planning to buy property here. We'll dive deep into the various aspects of this tax, ensuring you have a thorough understanding of your obligations and opportunities. First, let's outline the topics we'll cover in this video. We'll begin by covering the basics of property tax in Portugal. Then, we'll explore IMI and IMT, discussing what they are and what differs between them. Following that, we'll discuss how these property taxes are calculated. We'll also delve into exemptions and reductions available for paying property taxes. Lastly, we'll guide you through the process of paying property tax and meeting compliance requirements. Now let's start with the fundamental aspects of property tax in Portugal. In Portugal, property tax, abbreviated as IMI, is an essential part of the tax system. This annual tax is based on the property's taxable value, which is determined by the property's attributes such as location, size, and type. Urban properties generally attract a higher IMI rate compared to rural ones. The rate is set by local municipalities within the ranges established by national law, leading to some variation across different regions. Understanding how IMI is calculated and its implications is crucial for property owners in Portugal. It's not just about the annual cost, but also about being aware of potential exemptions and increases that can apply under certain conditions. Now that we have a clearer understanding of how property tax, or IMI, functions in Portugal, let's move on to explore the additional taxes and fees associated with property transactions in the country. In Portugal, property taxation revolves around two main types, IMI and IMT. While IMI is an annual tax based on property ownership, IMT comes into play during property transactions. IMT, or property transfer tax, is charged when a property changes hands. Its rate depends on the property's value and its intended use, such as residential, commercial, or agricultural. The calculation of IMT considers factors like the property's location and whether it's a primary or secondary residence. There are also potential exemptions or reductions, particularly for first-time homebuyers, under certain conditions. This tax is progressive, meaning higher value properties attract higher rates. Understanding IMT is crucial for property buyers as it can significantly impact the overall cost of the transaction. Together, IMI and IMT form the backbone of Portugal's property tax system, each addressing different aspects of property ownership and transactions. Now we've covered the backbone of the property tax system. We will now delve into how this tax is calculated. In Portugal, the calculation of property tax, specifically IMI, is based on a set of key factors. The cornerstone of this calculation is the property's VPT. This is essentially the tax-assessed value as determined by the tax authorities. The VPT takes into account various aspects of the property, such as its size, location, age, and the type of amenities it offers. These elements collectively contribute to establishing the taxable value of the property, which then forms the basis for calculating the property tax due. It's important to note that the criteria for urban properties might differ from those for rural properties, reflecting the diverse nature of property types across Portugal. Next, let's take a look at the exemptions and reductions available within the property tax system. Portugal's property tax system offers various exemptions and reductions to encourage specific types of property ownership. New homeowners, for instance, may enjoy an IMI exemption for several years if their property has a high energy efficiency rating. This initiative promotes environmentally friendly housing. Additionally, properties in urban rehabilitation areas might qualify for reduced rates, incentivizing investment and development in these zones. It's important for property owners to stay updated, as these exemptions can vary with legislative changes. Finally, let's take a look at the payment process. Effectively managing your property tax is key to financial stability. In Portugal, property tax bills are usually issued in April. You have the flexibility to pay these bills either in a single installment or in multiple installments, depending on the total amount due. It's crucial to be aware of the payment deadlines to prevent any late fees or penalties. For property owners experiencing financial challenges, the Portuguese tax system offers supportive measures. There are options for structured payment plans, allowing you to spread the cost over a period, making it more manageable. Additionally, in certain circumstances, you may qualify for deferrals. These deferrals can provide temporary relief by postponing your tax payments to a later date, giving you time to stabilize your financial situation. It's advisable to consult with tax authorities or a financial advisor to understand these options and determine the best course of action based on your individual circumstances. For an even deeper dive into Portugal's property tax, including calculators and comprehensive guides, visit our iCalculator website. We provide up-to-date information and tools to help you navigate your tax responsibilities. Check out the link in the description below for more details. We've now covered the essential aspects of property tax in Portugal, from understanding its basics to effectively managing your payments. In our next video, we'll explore the value-added tax system in Portugal, detailing its rates and how it affects consumers and businesses alike. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and switch on notifications to ensure you never miss an update.